Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to check and fill your coolant in this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, we're going to open the door. To open the hood, we're just going to grab this lever right here, pull that up. To lift the hood, if you look above the Ford symbol to the right a little bit, there's a lever right here. Slide that towards the passenger side, lift up on the hood, and then there's a prop rod right here. Just going to grab the prop rod, we're going to stick that right there. It's going to hold the hood up. To check the coolant, you're going to look in the reservoir right here. You want the coolant between these two lines, so this is the lower line and this is the upper line. So you want to check this when the vehicle is cold. Right now the coolant's actually on the lower side. So you can pop this cap off. Again, make sure the vehicle is cold when you do this. And you can top your coolant off. Make sure you use the appropriate coolant.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.